Okay, so just follow up on the two previous videos. So I just added a link there, a physical link. I guess it's because the SCADA guys were tired of losing Ring 4000, and we had a flaky first link there. Said, okay, so why don't we add a radio backup or something else? So I added like an additional link between these two sites, and I'm going to show you how I can make use make use of this. So what I would do in the previous case, if you remember, we had a ring over here, or a tunnel ring, ERPS ring, and then we bridged that ring to the rest here via a unprotected multi-point. I think that was called multi-point 2, this one right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create multi-point number 4, and instead it's going to be just like 2, except it's going to have a protected link, and this link will get protected by this other one. So, and then we're going to make use of that instead of this multi-point that is unprotected. So let's go to the connection tab. Let's create a tunnel. We'll call it multi-point 4. Doesn't like multi-point because it exists already. 4. And multi-point service going to be protected. And it's between these two sites. This is a primary fiber, and if it was multi-point, I would have multiple of these things, but I only have 2 points here. Unlike the point-to-point, it's asking me which link I need to get protected, so it's this link right there highlighted. That's going to have 1-for-1 protection, and on this second link, here's the BFD. Let's see, I'm happy with this, and we're done. So now we have, this is the old one that's unprotected. Here's a new one that's protected. So the next thing is I'm going to take SCADA 4 right here, and notice that SCADA 4 is using this unprotected, and I'm going to modify the service. So I move on to SCADA 4, and I'm going to move to the link selection, and let me make this a little bigger. And this is a multi-point 2. I'm not going to use this anymore, and we're going to use the multi-point 4. We're not going to reconfigure, we're not going to reconfigure this page. Next. And finish. If you're to load this, just need to warn you that when you're going to load this, you will lose SCADA. Here, this service will come down for the time that it's getting loaded and reconfigured and so on, and then when it comes back, it will come back. So just as a warning that this is the change here does interrupt service on this ring. So another reason again for creating multiple segments for SCADA is you may not want to have like something that affects like all of your entire SCADA system, but just a subset of it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this.